Hey there, fellow clutter conquerors! Welcome back to the Big Sweep, the ultimate destination for all things home organization and transformation. Today, we have an exciting challenge ahead of us, transforming this chaotic, cluttered room into a serene oasis of order, all in just one day. So let's get to it. The first step in any successful room transformation is assessing the current state of chaos. This room has been neglected for far too long, and it's time for a complete overhaul. We'll analyze the space, identifying problem areas and discussing your unique needs and preferences. By the end of this segment, you'll have a clear understanding of what we're up against and the vision we're working toward. Now, let's tackle the heart of the issue, clutter. It's time to Marie Kondo our way through this mess. We'll sort items into 3 categories: keep, donate, and toss. I'll share some in-depth tips and tricks to help you decide what to keep and what to let go of. We'll address common clutter culprits like old magazines, clothes you haven't worn in years, and items that no longer serve a purpose. Remember, the goal is to create a space that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. With the clutter gone, it's time to roll up our sleeves and give this room a good cleaning. We're not talking about a quick dust and vacuum job, we're going all in with a deep clean. We'll scrub, polish, and even make any necessary repairs. I'll introduce you to some eco-friendly cleaning products and techniques that will leave your space sparkling. You won't believe the difference a thorough cleaning can make. Now that the room is clean, let's talk furniture layout. This isn't just about randomly placing furniture, it's about creating a harmonious flow in the room. We'll discuss the principles of room flow, balance, and focal points to help you arrange your furniture in the most visually appealing and functional way possible. We'll also explore options for multifunctional furniture pieces that can maximize your space. A key aspect of maintaining an organized space is having the right storage solutions. We'll delve deep into the world of storage options. From shelves and cabinets to clever hacks like underbed storage, we've got you covered. There are different storage ideas for various room sizes and layouts, ensuring you have a place for everything and everything in its place. Stick around to the end because we'll share a bonus storage idea that you won't want to miss. Now that the decluttering and cleaning is finished, it's time for styling and decorating. It's best to keep it simple, using fabrics and colors that reflect your personality. Keep decor pieces to a minimum so as not to take up too much space on flat surfaces. Too many knickknacks not only lead to more clutter, but they also collect dust. After hours of hard work, it's time for the big reveal. You won't believe the transformation this room has undergone in just one day. We'll capture every angle and detail with stunning before and after shots. If you're enjoying this transformation so far, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section. But wait, there's more! Before we wrap up, I promised you a bonus idea that will take your room organization to the next level. Alright, here it is, the bonus idea that will revolutionize your room organization, a customizable, magnetic wall organizer. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create one yourself. A magnetic wallboard is a fantastic addition to any bedroom, offering a stylish way to keep important notes, photos, and small items organized and within reach. In this brief tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to create your own magnetic wallboard. It's a simple and creative project that can transform your bedroom into an organized and functional space. Materials you'll need: sheet metal. Visit your local hardware store and choose a sheet of metal that fits the size you want for your wallboard. You can often have it cut to your desired dimensions in store. Frame. This is optional, but to give your wallboard a polished look, consider getting a picture frame that fits the sheet metal. Magnets. Purchase strong neodymium magnets that will securely hold items on the board. Paint is optional, but if you want to add a personal touch, choose a paint color for your sheet metal or frame. Safety gear. Wear gloves and safety glasses when handling the sheet metal to prevent cuts. Here are the step-by-step instructions for making your personalized magnetic wall board. Step 1 is to measure the space on your bedroom wall where you want to hang the magnetic board. Mark these measurements on the sheet metal and use tin snips or a metal cutting tool to cut it to size. If you're using a frame, ensure the sheet metal fits inside it. The second step is optional, but if you want to add a pop of color to your board, apply paint to the sheet metal or frame. Allow it to dry completely before proceeding. Step 3 is to attach the sheet metal to the wall. Use a strong adhesive suitable for metal and walls, apply adhesive to the back of the sheet metal and carefully position it on your bedroom wall. Use a level to ensure it's perfectly straight. Apply pressure to the sheet metal for a few minutes to ensure it adheres properly. If you're using a frame, the fourth step is to attach it to the sheet metal according to the frame's instructions. This step adds a decorative touch and conceals the edges of the sheet metal. Now comes the fun part. Step 5 is attaching neodymium magnets to the items you want to display on your magnetic wall board. These magnets are strong and will securely hold your photos, notes, and lightweight items. Arrange your items on the board in any way you like. This is your chance to get creative. Step 6 is to add photos, notes, inspirational quotes, and other decorative elements to your magnetic wall board. Over time, you can easily change and rearrange items as needed. Congratulations, you've created a personalized magnetic wall board for your bedroom. This DIY project not only adds a functional element to your room but also allows you to express your style and keep your space organized. Enjoy your new magnetic wall board. This magnetic wall will keep important documents, notes, and small items neatly organized and easily accessible. It's a brilliant solution for keeping your daily essentials within arm's reach while maintaining a clutter-free space. And before your very eyes, folks, our messy room has been transformed into a beautifully organized space in just one day. I hope this in-depth video has inspired you to tackle your clutter and create a more functional and stylish room. Thanks for joining me today on The Big Sweep, and until next time, stay organized and stay inspired. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future room makeover episodes, tutorials, and bonus tips. Click here to watch the next video.